Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch from inch to centimeters in Google Docs easily in 2025. If you prefer working with centimeters instead of inch, this quick guide will get you set up in no time. First, open any Google Docs document. Next, click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Page Setup. In Page Setup windows, look for Page Size section. Google Docs doesn't let you change units directly here. So the trick is to change your Google account's language settings. To do that, open a new tab and go to Google Account Settings by visiting myaccount.google.com. In your Google account, click on Data and Personalization on the left menu. Scroll down to General Preference for the web, then click Language. Change your language preference to a country that uses metric system like English United Kingdom or English Canada. Once changed, go back to Google Doc and reload the document. Now, when you check margins or the page size, measurements should be displayed in centimeters instead of inches. And that's it. Switching your Google Doc units from inch to centimeters is all about adjusting your Google account language preference. Simple and effective. If this guide helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and leave your questions below. See you in the next one.